Hello and welcome to our Flutter tutorial on stateless and stateful widgets. In this video, we will explain the difference between these two types of widgets and show you how to use them in your Flutter applications. In Flutter, everything is a widget. Widgets are the building blocks of a Flutter app's user interface. There are two main types of widgets: stateless and stateful. Stateless widgets are immutable, meaning that their properties can't change once they are built. They are ideal for UI elements that do not require any change or interaction. Here's a simple example of a stateless widget. In this example, my app is a stateless widget. It returns a material app with a scaffold containing an app bar and a center widget with a text widget. Since this widget does not maintain any state, it is stateless. Stateful widgets, on the other hand, are dynamic. They can change their properties during their lifetime in response to user interactions or other factors. Here's a simple example of a stateful widget. In this example, CounterWidget is a stateful widget. It has a private state class CounterWidget state, which maintains a counter variable counter. The setState method is called to update the counter and rebuild the widget when the button is pressed. To summarize, use stateless widgets for UI elements that do not change, and stateful widgets for elements that need to update dynamically. Understanding when to use each type is crucial for building efficient and responsive Flutter applications. Congratulations on learning about stateless and stateful widgets. Don't forget to subscribe NectarVision for more Flutter tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See you in the next episode.